We handle all of the discrimination complaints throughout Fairfax County, whether they be employment, housing, public accommodations, banking, and education. This is our annual Fair Housing Month training and luncheon. And it's really an opportunity for us to have a training event with our partners, Northern Virginia Realtors Association, also the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, Washington Field Office, and the Equal Rights Center. For those individuals that are seeking housing, we want to educate them on what the violations are so that they know when they're being discriminated against. For those individuals that may be providing housing or realtors, to educate them so that they don't run afoul of the law. I think the education also helps us in that it reduces the amount of complaints because people aren't running afoul of the law. So our main point is not to get more complaints in. It is to educate those individuals to know when they are being discriminated against, but at the same time trying to minimize the number of complaints that we receive by educating those individuals in the housing field. Well, this is the 49th anniversary of the Fair Housing Act. And I remember as a child, we would often take rides on Sundays. And those rides would be to go and look at houses. And one time I commented to my mother, well, why are we just looking at the houses? Why can't we just buy one? I kind of got a stern look, but if you think about it, you know, maybe 30, 40, 50 years ago, my parents were not able to live in certain neighborhoods. So I find it very gratifying that if I'm economically able, I can live anywhere I want to, and that has not always been the case.